Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Callahan Cruisers monthly meetup for March. And this is Walkabout Cam. This is an awesome event. I always enjoy going to this event. I always go to this event because it's my home club. But anyway, there were lots of awesome cars out there this month. We took a lot of video, lots of pictures. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
Family. So the Railroad Days building is right over here across from the old Brandy's Ace Hardware. That building is from the 1800s. It was built right after the Civil War, and it's just an amazing little museum that's got history and everything else from the railroad building. And it's a cool place. Take the kids, come check it out. They got a lot of crafts and vendors, and they got the Callahan Cruisers going to be hosting one amazing show right across the street at Cochran's. That show's just been getting bigger and bigger every year. And it's a cool event because we're all packed in together. So to me, I like them shows where it's all compact because it makes people get in and meet each other and learn about their lives and everything else. Also, we got next Saturday, Adamek Harley Davidson Bay Meadows. We got that car show. Don't miss it. That's a good one. Homemade built trophies. It's called Old School versus New School. We got teaming up with Jacksonville area Mopar. They're going to be judging the new cars, and then we got the Callahan Cruiser will be taking care and setting up for the old school cars. A lot of the judging will be done, but also by Adamek Harley Davidson. Then this Sunday, the fairgrounds up here, we're going to have a cool cruise in. They got an old.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the Callahan Cruisers monthly meetup from March. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like, comment, and share, and maybe even subscribe on the way out. We really would appreciate it. And if you think about it, don't forget to share this around to your friends and family and tell them to follow this guy and subscribe to our channel. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one.